Hi, I'm Madeline and I'm your party theme angel. Today I'm going to help you with some simple ways to put together your 70s theme look for the next 70s theme or disco theme that you get invited to. So there's a few things that you can do already just after you take a shower, and then some simple items you can wear from your closet, and then by adding 1 or 2 purchases from your local store or from Amazon online, you can turn yourself into a show-stopping 70s look. Okay, so first off, after you take your shower, you're gonna wanna split your hair with a comb down the middle, straighten it or give it a light curl just to give it some fluff and some body and volume. Next, you're gonna do a simple color on your face. I chose just to do a light pink lip, and then if you want to do some bright eyeshadow, you're more than welcome to be free with that. I did a cat eye look with a black liquid eyeliner just to kind of give it that 70s vibe. Next up, I have a bralette top over my undergarments, and I have a tall legging here, and then I have a stacked boot. So your stacked boot could be black, it could be brown, it could be white, however you want your go-go boots. If you decide you don't want to do leggings, if you want to show some leg, you could put on just some like shorts or some Spanx, and then maybe wear a platform or wear your boots with it. So next up, I'm going to show you with 1 or 2 added items how you can turn this look into several 70s looks just by purchasing one thing online or adding some items from your own closet. Are you ready? Here's the first one. And here I am with just 1 item from Amazon. You can change your entire 70s vibe. I got this leg Avenue Hippie chick, and it all came in 1 item. It's got this lovely dress. We've got some boot covers. It comes with this really cool piece necklace, piece earrings, a headband, and these groovy glasses. So I definitely give this 5 stars as one of my favorite hippie chick outfits. And what's cool is you can just put it on over your leggings if you want a more modest look, or if you wanted to go legging free, you can give it kind of a little bit more of like a peekaboo of your knees. But I just put these over the boots that I already had on, and I turned myself into a 70s hippie chick. I'm just fluffing up my hair for this one. This is such a cute little number. I found this on Amazon. It is called the Wildflower Mini Dress and Headband. And so by just taking 1 item and putting it over what you already have on, you can turn yourself into a hippie chick, because it's got this really cute headband and these bell sleeves, and then you can wear it over leggings and your own go-go boots. So I really like this for a simple 70s look, and it's also a cute little dress. It's lightweight. It's something that you could wear again if you wanted to. So this was the Under Wraps Wildflower mini dress and headband. I also, to complete the look, added the biggest hoops that I could find that kind of have some sparkle to them. So that completes this outfit with the headband and the matching dress. And check this one out. This is a lovely little dress from Amazon. It's the Verdusa Women's Floral Print bell long sleeve v-neck bodycon dress. This is in the brown, and as you can see, it has this lovely slit on the arms. It goes right about to your knees, so if you're wearing like a bralette and leggings underneath, you can really just pick out any tall boots that you have. And what I did to complete this look is I just added a simple piece of ribbon and some of my own hoop earrings. So you can add whatever kind of hoops or ribbon that you might have laying around, but then I just fluffed my hair up a little bit, put it down the center, and just this 1 item from Amazon turns your whole look into a hippie outfit by just one click. So I'm really happy with this one, 5 stars. It's really comfortable and it's something that you could even wear just out on the town. It's super cute and comfortable, and I am loving this for my hippie chic simple look. Thanks for watching. And here I've got a put together hippie look from items I already had at home plus one Amazon item. So I have transformed myself into a hippie chick with this Bodrum Women's Floral 70s hippie. It's like they say it's a shirt bow tie front for a disco party. Anyway, so I've got this hippie chick tie top. I've got a tank and some leggings, and then all I did was grabbed a jean skirt that I had to put over the top of it, and some of my stacked boots to go with the look. And lastly, to finish out my hippie chick look, designing it on a dime, I just threw on some hoops, got a ribbon for my neck and a ribbon for my hair. So you can just get like a plain piece of ribbon from your ribbon stash or from the craft store. You can wear a nice choker or a nice headband if you have one, but all I did was throw this beautiful floral wrap on and turn myself into a hippie chick. So there you have it. With just one item in your Amazon cart, and you can turn yourself into a hippie chick too. I hope that you found this video inspirational. May you go in peace and inspiration. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Party Theme Angel.